Jai Srimanarayana. Third sloka of fourth chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sayevayam maya tedya yoga proktaha पुरातनः भक्तोऽसि मे सखा चेति रहस्यं हि एतत् उत्तमम्। ओम। Devote yourself to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Have Sri Krishna Paramatma as your only option. Then you will understand his message, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall devote myself to you. You are my only option. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, the boy born out of the dead body of Nimi, he is Videha, or he is also known as Mithila Janaka. Then that Mithila gave birth to Udavasuvu. Udavasuvu's son is Nandivardhana. Nandivardhana's son is Suketu. Suketu's son is Devarata. Devarata's son is Bruhadradha. Bruhadradha's son is Mahavirya. Mahavirya's son is Sudhruti. Sudhruti's son is Dhrishtaketu. Dhrishtaketu's son is Haryasva. Haryasva's son is Maru. Maru's son is Pratipaka. Pratipaka's son is Krutaratha. Krutaratha's son is Devamidha. Devamidha's son is Vishrutu. Vishrutu's son is Mahadhruti. Mahadhruti's son is Krutirata. Krutirata's son is Maharoma. Maharoma's son is Swarnaroma. Swarnaroma's son is Hrasvaroma. Harsvaroma son is Siradhvaja, who is known as Janaka. He is the one who got Sita Devi while he is plowing the land. Sita Shiragrato Jata Tasmat Shiradhvajaha Smrutaha. And that Sita Devi became the wife of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 4th chapter 3rd sloka. Sayevayam maya tedya yoga proktah puratanaha bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam hetaduttamam. Sayevayam maya tedya yoga proktah puratanaha bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam hetaduttamam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.